Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you two clothing items from Temu. The first one I promised you that I was going to show you, which is a pajama set that I featured in one of my videos. I said I'm going to show you and tell you how I feel, what I feel about this particular pajama set. And today I'm going to be throwing in another thing that I purchased from them a while ago, which I have not even reviewed, but I think I've worn it before. But I wanted to tell you how they feel. It's a lounge set and I'm going to be showing you that. So in this video we have two items to really try quickly. It's a review video and a try on all of these pajama sets and what is it called, lounge set. All right, ladies, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So here's the first one I'm going to be showing you straight from the bag. I'm about to remove it. I've not even tried it on, and this is how this one is looking. Yeah, ooh, it feels good already. And I chose size medium because I wanted it to be free on my body. I don't want it to be tight because it's pajama set. It has this but it has button at the front. I think it has about 5 buttons with this design on it. This purple flowery design going on, and it has lace detailing at the sleeve right there, which is see-through. And this is about this. I'm going to try it on and see if it's actually true to size. Like I said, I chose size medium. I will leave on the screen if they have another color, but this is the color that I chose. I'm not sure if they have other colors. I can't even remember at this point in time, and I can't even remember the amount that I purchased it. And this is the pants. The pants also have that lace panel there at the bottom, and it has this elastic band. That's about it. It does not have any other thing. Of course, it's a pajama set, and it feels really good. So we're going to see if it's true to size. I wear small regularly, but when it comes to pajama, I want medium, even large, because I want it to be free. I want to be free when I'm rolling all over on the bed. I don't want anything tight, too tight. It's well tailored though. It's very neat. It's very clean. There's no threading here and there. And for the price, yeah, we're all about looking good. It's not equal to breaking the back, even when we're going to sleep. So here is the second one, which I said is the lounge set. This one I will recommend you pick your right size. This is size small and it's very stretchy. That is why I would recommend that you should pick your right size. I forgot how many color of this they have. It's been a while that I purchased it and I've only wore it once, so I just thought that you just throw it into this pajama so it wouldn't be just one item. And it has the pant has 2 pockets on the side. It has this large elastic waistband. Look at that, and it's powder blue. I don't know if you all can see it. It's really nice. I like it, and it's something that you can quickly throw on if you want to go on an errand. But what I will not suggest is wear the pant like this. It's transparent. If you don't wear anything under it, it kind of look funny. I will show you when I try it on. And this is the top. It has this v-neck style. Of course, nothing much on it. It's very stretchy, like I mentioned before. And that is about this. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I don't...
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got some.
Alright my ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.